Welcome to Bangalore Cantonment and an evening of train spotting.
Decoration.
I hope you will like it. New paintings give a facelift to Bangalore Cant. We are at the second entrance, entering platform number 2 towards Chennai and Salem.
Automatic ticket vending machine at Bangalore Cantonment. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಣ್ಣ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಓ ಎಸ್.
ಆಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್.
ಆಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್.
Smart operated. Platform ticket, mobile tickets.
We are at in the platform number 2. It's a suburban DMU rakes, and the Bangalore Cantonment is home to the DMU depot.
This is platform number 2. That's platform number 1.
Passengers, kind attention please. Train number
18464 Bangalore Bhuvaneshwar announced Prasanti Express.
Prasanti Express from KSR Bengaluru to Bhuvaneshwar is shortly.
We are moving towards the Bangalore city end.
Attention please. Train number 666.
There is an oncoming train now, then that would be the Prasanti Express. Arriving at platform number 2, the Prasanti Express is the crack express towards Bhuvaneshwar.
Arriving to platform number 1.
Today hauled by WAP7 from Lalaguda. This was the first train that to get the electric loco after the conversion of the Bangalore-Guntakal line into an electric line. Currently the doubling work of electric is going on this sector.
Prasanti Express, KSR Bengaluru, Bhuvaneshwar,
Travels close to 1600 kilometers. Takes about 31 hours. A long journey. Goes via Guntakal, Guntur, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, and then Khurda Road, and then Bhuvaneshwar. It has a Pantry car, 9 sleepers, 2 ACs and 4 3-tier ACs.
Prasanti Express from KSR Bengaluru to Bhuvaneshwar arrived to platform number
22626 AC double-decker superfast express to Chennai from KSR Bengaluru. Arriving at platform number 2 in Bangalore Cantonment. Very popular train among travelers. Mid-afternoon departure, 8:30 arrival in Chennai. Comfortable journey. (30417) RPM WAP7.
Bangalore Cantonment video log with the background of the DEMUs. The DEMU workshop is located just ahead at the end of platform number 2. And that is the end in which the DEMU is located.
And there comes the tuk-tuk-tuk-tuk sound of the alcoves. Interesting to see what train is coming. Looks like a train with LHB racks. Surprising at this time of the day.
KSR Bengaluru Kanyakumari. Oh, LHB racks. It's being shunted to Bangalore City Junction. KSR Bengaluru Kanyakumari Express with the new LHB racks being moved to Bangalore City Junction for departure later in the night today. Marikuppam Passenger now arriving on platform number 2.
Kanyakumari Express takes the longer route to via Jolarpettai in Salem, and it is also one of the slowest express trains plying in the sector with an average speed of just 45 kilometers.
Marikuppam Passenger between Bengaluru and Marikuppam, Kolar Goldfield. It's also called the Swarna Passenger. It's all by today at WAP 7, the usual link 30409 belonging to Rayapuram Shed. There are plans to now convert this into MEMU rakes soon. It's been going on. I think the one set of morning Marikuppam passengers is already running with our EMU rakes. .409 front view. The assistant loco pilot gave the green showing to the guard. The train moves. The assistant loco pilot smiles and waves the flag at you, says hello, nice of him. It's a short distance passenger train, just 85 kilometers, 70 kilometers to Bangarpet and another 15 kilometers to Kolar, Goldfield and Marikuppam. KSR Bengaluru Kachiguda. Still diesel traction only. Twin WDM 3A today. Nowadays the normal link is the WDP4D. Today must be the rest day of link. On the left is the DMU workshop. Inspection going on. Bangalore Kent. That's the new workshop, the close quarters. The twin alcoves. Soon there will be end of the road for these alcoves, since this train will soon be hauled by electric locomotives in a year. This train goes via Guntakal, Dharmavaram, Butti, and then to Kachiguda. The doubling work and the electrification work is going on in this sector from Guntakal onwards till Kachiguda. And soon trains would be hauled by electric locomotives, probably in a year from now. Mayiladuthurai Express. You can see the headlights now. This train goes through 3 local changes and 2 reversal. Mysore to Bangalore WAP7, Bangalore Erode WDP4D, Erode Tiruchirappalli WAP4 and Tiruchirappalli Mayavaram WDP4D again. 2 reversals, one at Erode and one at Trichy. Yes, I think from the sound it is a WDP4D. Yes, it is.